Welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. T.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on human resource management. This is part 2. Now come to the question number 1. Human resource departments are dash A. Line departments, B. Authority department, C. Service department, D. Functional department. So here correct option is C. Service department. 2. What is human factor? A. Micro and macro issues of socio-economic factor. B. Interrelated physiological, psychological and socio-ethical aspects of human being. C. The entire concept of human behavior. D. None. So the correct option is B. Interrelated physiological, psychological and socio-ethical aspects of human being. 3. Job analysis is a systematic procedure for securing and reporting information defining a dash A. Specific job, B. Specific product, C. Specific service, D. All. The correct option is A. Specific job. 4. What are the factors responsible for the growth of HRM? A. Development of scientific management and awakened sense of social responsibility. B. The problem of how the available human resource could effectively minimize the cost and maximize the production. C. Technical factors awakening amongst workers attitude of the government, cultural and social system, or the all. So the correct option is C. 5. Which among the following describe the skills that are available within the company? A. Human resource inventory. B. HRIS. C. Skills inventory or the management inventory. Correct option is A. Human resource inventory. 6. Who has defined personal management as a field of management which has to do with planning and controlling various operative functions of procuring, developing, maintaining and utilizing labor force? A. Harold Kuhns. B. Glueck. C. Michael Jusius. D. Flippo. Correct option is C. Michael Jusius. 7. Resources and capabilities that serve as a source of competitive advantage for a firm over its rivals are called dash A. Core competency, B. Core competence, C. Competitive advantage or the competency. Correct option is A. Core competency. A. Human resource planning is compulsory for dash A. Effective employee development program, B. Base for recruitment, C. Base for selection policy, or D. All. Correct option is D. All of these. 9. Job analysis, staff planning, recruitment, selection, placement, inductions, and internal mobility are few important functions which come under the heading of dash of HRM. A. Integration function, B. Development, C. Maintenance, D. Procurement function. Correct option is D. Procurement function. 10. Directing is one of the important functions of HRM which comes under dash A. Managerial function, B. Operative function, C. Technical function, or D. Behavioral function. Correct option here is A. Managerial function. 11. Which of the following is a method of collection of information for job analysis? A. Questionnaire method, B. Ratio analysis, C. Optimization models, D. Trend analysis. So here correct option is A. Questionnaire method. 12. Who does human relations approach refer to? A. Worker, who should be given humanly treatment at work. B. Mutual cooperation between employer and employee in solving the common problems. C. Integration of people into a work situation that motivates them to work together to achieve productivity and also economic, psychological and social satisfaction, or D. None. So here correct option is C. That is integration of people into a work situation that motivates them to work together to achieve productivity and also economic, psychological and social satisfaction. 30. DAS provides information on the human attributes in terms of education, skills, aptitudes and experience necessary to perform a job effectively. A. Job description, B. Job specification, C. Job analysis, or D. Job evaluation. Correct option is B. Job specification. 14. Who laid the foundation of HRM practice? The correct option is C here, Peter Drucker and Douglas MacGregor. 15. How HRM has become a highly specialized job? A. It is concerned with obtaining and maintaining a satisfied workforce. B. It maximizes the output and satisfaction of the employees. C. Promote group satisfaction and individual development. D. Optimum utilization of manpower by motivation and improving the efficiency. So here correct option is B. It maximizes the output and satisfaction of the employees. 16. Job specification includes dash A. Physical characteristics, B. Psychological characteristics, C. Personal characteristics, or D. All. The correct option is D. All. 17. TQM's major emphasis is on A. Product quality, D. Company profitability, C. Customer delight, D. Employee training. Correct option is A. Product quality. 18. Ability to perform exceptionally well and increase the stock of targeted resources within the firm is called dash A. Productivity, B. Efficiency, C. Effectiveness, or D. Competency. Correct option is D. Competency. 19. What is the scope of HR? So here correct option is C. Further researches in behavioral science, new ideas in man management, and advances in the field of training and development. 20. What is the importance of controlling? So here correct option is A. Ensure that activities are in accordance with the terms of the plan. 20. What is a decision in management? A. Reaching a proper conclusion after consideration. B. A decision involves choosing of alternatives. C. A decision is the outcome of a group of people or an individual. D. None. Correct option is A. Reaching at a proper conclusion after consideration. 20. An employee working in a unit or plant which is citizen of the country in which the unit or plant is located, but where the unit or plant is operated by an organization headquartered in another country dash A. Home country national, B. Host country national, C. Third country national, D. Host country. Correct option is B. Host country national. 20. Quantitative technique refers to A. Models, simulation, resource allocation technique, B. Waiting line problems and the queuing theory, C. Gaming and game theory and probability theory, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 24. Staffing includes dash A. Workload estimation, B. Termination, C. Appointments of personnel placement, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 25. To calculate the need for manpower on the basis of the average loss of manpower due to leave, retirement, death, transfer, discharge, etc. is known as A. Workload analysis, B. Workforce analysis, C. Job analysis, D. Forecasting. Correct option is B. Workforce analysis. 26. MPDQ stands for, correct option is A here, Management Position Description Questionnaire. 27. What should be the strategy of HRM? A. Making the long-term and short-term plan. B. Planning the optimum level of manpower. C. Introducing training programs to personnel. D. All. Correct option is D. All. 28. The process of helping unwanted present employees find new jobs with other firms called outplacement. Correct option is A. 29. What is the laissez-faire viewpoint? Correct option is B here, a minimum of public intervention in economic activities. 30. How can we understand the nature of human factor? Correct option is B here, according to the behavior of the people at work. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you liked it, and if you liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best.